So today this is what we have. Okay, so we have this infrared remote that you see here. Okay, and I'm going just to remove the battery. So this one is the battery. Okay, that's the battery, and this is the IR sensor we're going to use. And what you see, it's the code. Okay, let's see. So you start from here. Okay, so these are the pins that are already set up. Okay, so we're going to test them out. So we're going to use pin 15. If you look here, you should be able to see the pin. Okay, and as you can see, if you look clearly closer, you can see that we have pin all the pins from the ESP32. Now we'll go for pin 15. Okay, and ground and VCC. We're going to connect it to 3.3 volts and ground. Okay, where is so I'm going to start with this one first. So this is the receiver. Okay, we're going to connect all the 3 pins. Okay, knowing that the red one is the positive, the orange one is actually the negative, and then the source, it's the one that we're going to connect to pin now 15. Okay, so we're going to connect pin 15 to S. And which color? It's brown. So where is pin 15? You just look closer. Okay, you move the other side until you see this is pin 15. Okay, we're going to connect there. Okay, and this one is VCC. VCC, we're going to connect it to 3.3 volt for now. Okay, you can maybe connect it to 5 volt, but let's go with 3.3 volts. Okay, and the orange one, we're going to connect it to ground. Where's ground? So this is ground. Okay, so we have successfully connected all the pins where it's supposed to be. So this one is 15 is this one. Okay, we can see 15 is this one, pin 15. It's actually this pin here, and also ground. Connect this one to ground, and 3.3 volts, the right one. So now it's successfully connected. Okay, we're going to connect the USB. Okay, and before we do that, we go to device manager, so that you can see the actual port. Device, if you're using Windows, okay, then you open device manager, then you go to port. This is where you see ports. Okay, so what you're going to see whenever I'm going to connect this one. Okay, so let me just move this a bit aside. Okay, but I'm going to connect this one just to show it's actually connected. So you will see this light, and then if you check on port, you can see silicon bridge COM11. Okay, just to make sure you got what's happening here, I'm going to remove this one. Okay, and then now I'm going to connect it. Okay, you see COM11. This is where we're going to connect this. We're going to run this code. Okay, so what you're gonna do, you will go to your Arduino IDE. You go here, you look for COM11. Okay, and then you select ESP32 Dev Modules. So you go this code, you select you select the one, you type ESP Dev Modules, then you go to comms, you select this serial port USB, and then you press enter, and then now you can run your code and make sure we actually have our baud rate set it. Just click on save. You can see the board right here. Okay. So otherwise you can go to tools. If you want to see, you go to tools, then you should be able to see the port that we've selected. Baud, ESP receive. You go to Dev Modules, and then you need just, since you're running ESP32, you can select the partition. If you're running website, then you're going to go web server, you can select this one. Okay, so this is it. So that's all you need for now. Okay, so let's run this code so you can see what's going to happen. Okay, in the meantime, that's running our code. We go and see how we can actually have this one connected. So now you can see this is the receiver. There's no light there so far because this one is not yet connected. So let's connect the transmitter. Okay, I'm guessing. Okay, I'm guessing this is the way to go. Otherwise, if it doesn't work, we're going to swap the battery. Okay, let's see if this one. Yeah, this is the way. This is how we should put it. You see that light flashing? That means the receiver is receiving information. Okay, then we're gonna leave it like this, and then press the remote once it's done uploading. So okay, in the meantime, so this is the remote we're using. Okay, and this is what we have, and this is the receiver. Okay, I'll receive it actually here, so I should be able to press any okay, let's see, it's going to upload. There we go. Let's make this one much bigger. This is where we're gonna see everything. Okay, all right, so what's going to happen if I press 1? Let's start with number 1. Let me press number 1 here so then you can see for sure. This is 1. Okay, this is the address of 1. Then press 0. This is 0. Then press OK. This is OK. Then press arrow down. Okay, let me press star. Let me press 9. Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, star, 1. You can see, like, I can press all the button, and then you can see we're getting the feedback that side, even 555. Okay, if I want to. Okay, all right, this is it. This is how you use it. Our sensor, and this is the logic behind what you just saw. So we can okay, so this is the code, and this is the result.